I'm really excited that Stamps Gallery has reached out and involved 826 in doing this workshop because I feel like we're doing the same thing with Bibliobandido and with 826.
So 826 Michigan is a nonprofit writing and tutoring center. So we offer free after-school tutoring, creative writing workshops, writing field trips, and in-school creative writing projects that encourage students to explore writing in a variety of ways that they might not have seen before.
It's so connected to the way that we think about community engagement in art and how someone can have an idea and grow it into this magical and change-creating vehicle. So I think that's a really powerful example for the students to be able to participate in directly. They're actually going to be writing stories for the Bibliobandido, so they get to engage with it and see how, oh, this is something that maybe I could do too.
I love that our students will start thinking about the connections between art and writing because we do have a lot of students that are interested in visual art, but I think that the connection between seeing visual art as a piece of a story or seeing it as the starting point of a story or the story itself and encouraging them to think about that connection more will be something that I hope that they're taking with them beyond this partnership.